Back at the Crazy Daisy in Carthage, Missouri, and I wanted to show you our bath mitts and our bath ponchos. First, I'm going to start with the poncho. It comes all nice rolled up like this, but when you get it personalized, we have to take it all apart. So then it'll look like this. How cute is that for your child for bath time? It makes it fun and easy. So we do the personalization right here, and they have a little hood on them, and this one has some ears on it. And then the bath mitts that go along with it, you can put your hand in there and use it like a washcloth. And these are our mitts and our ponchos.